This is my commandment, love one another as I love you. Elsewhere in the Gospel, we heard Jesus saying, love others as you love yourself. Now, He brings us to a higher level of love. The measurement of true love is no longer the love for ourselves, but how God loves us. It means that His love up to the cross is the barometer of authentic love. This is more demanding now because we are called to love others not in the way we love ourselves, but in the way God loves us. We may not be called to shed our blood in expressing our love for others, but our daily acts of kindness, our daily acts of humanity and generosity is a manifestation of this love for others. It's so beautiful because Jesus also adds by saying, now I do not call you slaves, but friends. Friendship becomes a model of this synodal community, of this synodal church. We are called to treat others as friends, not as superiors, not as subjects. We serve one another not because they are higher than us, but because we are friends. It's no longer hierarchical, but circular. It could happen in the context of our parish, in the context of our families, in the context of our religious communities. We do not serve our sisters or brothers in the community because they are our bosses, but our friends. Friendship is now the new model of this community established by Christ.